వెల్కమ్ టు రాజ్ టెక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో కోవిడ్-19 పాండమిక్ సిచ్యుయేషన్లో ఎటువంటి న్యూట్రిషన్ డైట్ తీసుకోవాలో అడల్ట్స్, సో దానికి సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనం ఈ వీడియోలో చూద్దాము. సో ఈ ఛానల్కి కొత్తగా వచ్చినట్లయితే ఈ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, కింద బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా ప్రెస్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. సో లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద వీడియో. ప్రాపర్ న్యూట్రిషన్ అండ్ అలాగే హైడ్రేషన్ అనేవి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఎవరైతే వెల్ బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ డైట్ తీసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఇమ్యూన్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటుంది. సో వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి ఎటువంటి ఇల్నెస్ అంటే ఏదైనా రోగాలు కానీ శరీరానికి సంబంధించిన ఎటువంటి డిసీజెస్ అయినా దరికి చేరవు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ ఇమ్యూన్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది చాలా కరెక్ట్గా స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి మనందరము ఫ్రెష్ వెజిటబుల్స్ అట్లాగే ప్రాసెస్ ఫుడ్స్ కాకుండా అన్ప్రాసెస్ ఫుడ్స్ని మనం తీసుకుంటూ ఉండాలి. సో దీనివల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే మన శరీరానికి కావాల్సిన వైటమిన్స్, మినరల్స్ అట్లాగే యాంటీ ఆక్సిడెంట్స్, డైటరీ ఫైబర్స్, ప్రోటీన్స్ ఇవన్నీ మనకు అందుతాయి అన్నమాట. సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ వచ్చేసరికి ఈట్ ఫ్రెష్ అండ్ అన్ప్రాసెస్డ్ ఫుడ్స్ ఎవ్రీడే. ఈట్ ఫ్రూట్స్, వెజిటబుల్స్, legumes, for example lentils, beans, nuts and whole grains. And the whole grains, that is unprocessed maize, millets, oats, wheats, brown rice or starchy tubers or roots such as potato, yam, taro or cassava. And foods from animal sources, for example meat, fish, eggs and milk. Second point, daily eat 2 cups of fruit, that is 4 servings, 2.5 cups of vegetables, that is 5 servings, 180 grams of grains and 160 grams of meat and beans, that is red meat can be eaten 1 to 2 times per week and poultry 2 to 3 times per week. Third point, for snacks choose raw vegetables and fresh fruits rather than foods that are high in sugar, fat or salt. Do not overcook vegetables and fruit as this can lead to the loss of important vitamins. When using canned or dried vegetables and fruits, choose varieties without added salt or sugar. So second thing, drink enough water every day. First point, water is essential for life. It transports nutrients and compounds in blood, regulates your body temperature, gets rid of waste and lubricates and cushions joints. Second point, drink 8 to 10 cups of water every day. Third point, water is the best choice, but you can also consume other drinks like fruits and vegetables that contain water. For example, lemon juice, that is diluted in water and unsweetened, tea and coffee. But be careful not to consume too much caffeine and avoid sweetened fruit juices, syrups, fruit juice concentrates, fizzy and still drinks as they all contain sugar. Third thing, eat moderate amounts of fat and oil. First point, consume unsaturated fats, for example found in fish, avocado, nuts, olive oil, soya, canola, sunflower and corn oils rather than saturated fats, for example found in fatty meat, butter, coconut oil, cream, cheese, ghee and lard. Second point, choose white meat, for example poultry and fish, generally low in fat rather than red meat. Third point, avoid processed meats because they are high in fat and salt. Fourth point, where possible, opt for low-fat or reduced fat versions of milk and dairy products. Fifth point, avoid industrially processed trans fats. These are often found in processed food, fast food, snack food, fried food, frozen pizza, pies, cookies, margarines and spreads. Fourth thing, eat less salt and sugar. When cooking and preparing food, limit the amount of salt and high sodium condiments, for example soy sauce and fish sauce. Second point, limit your daily salt intake to less than 5 grams, approximately 1 teaspoon, and use iodized salt. Third point, avoid foods, for example snacks that are high in salt and sugar. Fourth point, limit your intake of soft drinks or sodas or other drinks that are high in sugar, for example fruit juices, fruit juice concentrates and syrups, flavored milks and yogurt drinks. Fifth point, choose fresh fruits instead of sweet snacks such as cookies, cakes and chocolate. Fifth thing, avoid eating out. Eat at home to reduce the rate of contact with other people and lower our chance of being exposed to COVID-19. We recommend maintain a distance of at least 1 meter between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. That is not always possible in crowded social settings like restaurants and caves. Droplets from infected people may land on surfaces and people's hands, for example, customers and staff. And with lots of people coming and going, you cannot tell if hands are being washed regularly enough and surfaces are being cleaned and disinfected fast enough. Sixth point, counseling and psychosocial support. While proper nutrition and hydration improve health and immunity, they are not magic bullets. People living with chronic illness who have suspected or confirmed COVID-19 may need support with their mental health and diet to ensure they keep in good health. Seek counseling and psychosocial support from appropriately trained healthcare professionals and also community-based lay and peer counselors. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. So thanks for watching.